Regarding the Laurentian hypothesis for DNA, I hypothesize DNA is biological G-code, the 2D code, a 3D printer uses, in order to point to a 3D location in a defined space. A human woman, or any female on Earth, is like a biological 3D printer. The DNA sequence is a written code. Normal human writing is written left to right, or right to left, but computer code is written top down. We could even try reading it mirrored and or inverted as it is photo scanned in by the body, backwards or bottom up. We know DNA has 4 different sets, 4 letters, 4 sets of information, 3 coordinates and a base location, or action. I hypothesize DNA is written top-down, like computer code sent to a 3D printer, and we will find these properties. The female's human womb is as a 3D bioprinter. There must be a 0 printing floor, a maximum direction left-right, a height, up-down, and an action to be performed there, a if-else scenario, and finally a check if the action was performed. We know there is error correcting code in DNA already. If DNA indeed turns out to have been written top-down, like computer code, then I am a creation, as I already know without any proof needed. Would be great for science if they could feed DNA code to a 3D bioprinter, or simulator, able to read and perform the same actions as a womb would do, adding and removing, finding a location inside the printer space. A program could be written to simulate what the code should do virtually, as if men already had a bioprinter. Clones are immortality for mankind. Wish I had a way to look at DNA for myself. Does anyone know how uncoil study DNA at home? Look at these data sets. Perhaps turn every DNA block 90 degrees per block, read it top down, like code. These experts